Hi, here we have, suppose one of the roots of this quadratic is 2 plus root 3, where a and b, c, a, b, c and a, b and c are rational numbers and a is not equal to 0. If b is equal to c cube, then mod of a is equal to what? Okay. So abhi yahan par you have a, b, c are rational numbers. So in a quadratic, if the coefficients are rational, then the roots will be conjugate of each other. Okay. You know the quadratic formula, the root formula is where x is equal to minus b. Minus b is, b here is minus b actually. So this will be plus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 into a into c upon 2a. So these will be the two roots of this quadratic, one with plus sign, one with negative sign. Since b, a and c are all rational numbers, the roots will be conjugate, will have plus square root of something and then minus square root of something. The roots will be conjugate of each other. Hence, if one root is 2 plus root 3, the other root will definitely be 2 minus root 3. If you want to understand this in detail, go and look at the concepts part of the quadratic, where we talk about the discriminant and the nature of roots of a quadratic. Okay. So these are the two roots of the quadratic equation that we have here. Now we have to figure out the value of mod of a if b is equal to c cube. So let's talk about the sum of the roots first. The sum of the roots, we know the roots are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. So if we add them, plus root 3 minus root 3 cancels out, sum of the roots will be 4, which we know is minus the coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. So minus of minus b by a is plus b by a. So b here comes out to be 4a, or rather a here is b by 4. This is the first thing that we have, a is equal to b by 4. Next is, let's talk about the product of the roots. Now the roots are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. So this is a plus b into a minus b. Product of the roots will be a plus b into a minus b. So that will be a square minus b square. So this is 2 square minus root 3 square. This is product of the roots, and we also know that product of the roots is the constant term of the quadratic divided by coefficient of x square, which is a. So 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, which is equal to c by a. Hence, a is equal to c. Right? Now if a is equal to c, and we also know that b is equal to c cube. So a is also equal to c cube by 4. Since b is equal to c cube, we can substitute c cube here. So a comes out to be c cube by 4. Fine. Now we have a is equal to c and a is also equal to c cube by 4. Hence we can say that from here a is c and from here a is equal to c cube by 4. That means c is either equal to 0. So if c is 0, a will become 0. Now a cannot be 0, otherwise this will not remain a quadratic. So c cannot be 0. So we can cancel out c. So we have 1 is equal to c square by 4, or c square is 4. That means c is equal to plus 2 or minus 2. If c square is 4, we'll have plus minus c is equal to 2. Hence c will be equal to either plus 2 or minus 2. Now if c is equal to plus 2 or minus 2, we know a is equal to c, which is equal to plus minus 2. So a will be either equal to plus 2 or minus 2, but we are asked what is mod of a. So even if a is 2, mod of a will be 2. Even if a is minus 2, mod of a will be plus 2. Hence in both the cases, mod of a will be option A plus 2 only. Thank you.